Hey, how's it going? How have you been feeling?
Hey, just been a little bit stressed out lately. You know I've been working that part-time job at the cafe, right?
Yeah, of course. I think it's great you're taking the initiative to save for your future.
Yeah, it's just my work hours have increased so much lately, and on top of that, I have exams, so I feel like I'm drowning in coursework. I just don't know how to, manage everything.
Seems like you're juggling a lot right now. How are you feeling?
Well, I used to really like my job, but now it's taking so much of my time. I'm struggling to find a balance between work and studying. There's no point in saving for school if I don't do well on the exams.
Finding a balance between work and school can be hard, especially during exam season. How do you think you're feeling about all this?
I'm feeling overwhelmed.
Yeah.
I guess it's when I'm at work, I'm worried that I don't have enough time to study. And when I'm studying, I feel like I'm just worried that I'm letting everyone down at my work, right?
It sounds like you're getting a lot of pressure from both sides. Have you talked to your boss about cutting back your hours at all?
Not yet. They rely on me too much, and I don't want to let anyone down. Plus, I could really use the money. And honestly, I'm kind of used to having a little bit of spending money.
I totally get it. You want to excel at both work and school, but we can't be giving our all to something if we're splitting our time.
Yeah, and my parents think I should focus on school, but they also think I should manage my time better, and everyone else seems to manage their time so well. I don't know why I'm struggling with it so much.
It's okay not to have all the answers. Recognizing your challenges and seeking guidance is a positive step in the right direction. Let's pick this back up next time, and we'll come up with some strategies for better managing your time. Until then, make sure you take breaks and take care of yourself.